Tired of constantly switching back and forth between wire strippers and pliers? Klein's side-cutting pliers come with stripping holes to save you time on the job and space in your tool belt. The 9-inch Journeyman high-leverage side cutters with wire stripper and crimper cuts and strips 10 to 12 gauge solid and 12 to 14 gauge stranded wire. The built-in crimper works for non-insulated connectors, lugs, and terminals. Klein's forged design, combined with induction-hardened cutting knives, cut hard wire, perform better, and last longer than other cutters. Dual material Journeyman handles provide better grip and added comfort. The tempered handles absorb the snap when cutting wire to reduce hand and wrist fatigue. The hot riveted joint on Klein's all-purpose pliers ensures smooth action with no handle wobble. The heavier, forged steel construction makes these pliers extremely durable. Start saving time and get more done with the high-leverage side-cutting pliers with wire strippers. Klein Tools, for the professional tradesperson since 1857.